not morning. Oh my god, I'm so used to saying good morning to the vlog. But good evening, guys. We're starting the vlog super late today because it is a Friday.
Aloha Friday again.
We were at work this morning, so we couldn't vlog that. But today's vlog, we are actually gonna go to the other side of the island and go get some Korean barbecue. Once again, always eating Korean barbecue, but this time we're going with my two best friends are gonna come with us, and yeah, that's the plan. And we're gonna go stop at B&T first because I need to go get myself a boba, a free one, because I won. Which is weird because I never actually won like a contest. I didn't even know they were hosting like a contest on Instagram, but apparently I won what is that? Customer of the week or post of the week, I think it was. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and drive down to Kailua or Kaneohe. Kailua to
on
go
the other side of the mountain.
And get some boba. We'll see you soon. Stay tuned. Peace.
It's like honeydew, and then the aftertaste is the coconut.
That looks good. Mango. Oh, there's a slowpoke. Yeah. He wants to be a Pokemon vlogger.
Pokemon Go Traveler.
What if, yeah? So this is what we do on Friday nights. We go get boba and we go and play Pokemon Go, you guys.
We don't drink.
We don't drink. Oh, we do, but not like all the time.
Actually, we're planning to go drinking tonight.
We don't go clubbing. We don't party. That's what we're trying to say. We don't party. That's so lame. We're like 23 and we don't party.
Because
I guess we did a lot of that.
Well, we do want to party, but our friends don't want to come
busy.
over.
Yeah.
Because we live so far.
I mean, we used to drink like when we were underage. I feel like when you become of age, it's not as fun anymore because it's like, how do you say it? It's just like, I don't know. It's not illegal anymore. When it's legal, it's no longer fun, right? Comment down below if you guys agree. I'm such a bad like.
She didn't get that from me.
He used to drink all the time, like every weekend. And we were doing long distance.
Not every weekend.
Mostly every weekend. We used to always fight because I would be home doing homework and studying and he'd be out partying.
Yeah, like what? Next door? Partying next door in my friend's room.
Sausage. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys back in a bit. Have you guys heard that term where it's like Asians are like 80% milk tea and 20% water? I believe that's true because we drink a lot of milk tea. We're always at boba shops, like if not every day and then every other day. I try not to like drink as much milk tea, but yeah, it's never gonna happen. Hi, that's Sheila. That's Jacob and Mary. What's up?
That's okay. Like I said while we were driving, it's not like we're gonna get hooked up, so we can go. I thought you was working.
MAITAI's a go, I think.
No, Sunday.
Yeah.
I found out today.
You don't work. Yeah,
My Tai is a go. Is it a go?
Yes. Can you not, sister?
So is My Tai a go after this?
My Thai is
Eight,
gold.
eight, 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 eight. Gang, 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 gang. I'm just kidding. Bitch, turn that shit off.
It's your first time, yeah? Yeah. Why is it we're always eating Korean barbecue?
I choked on that freaking cucumber because it's good, sis.
We are full. How was your first time at SIKDURAK?
So good.
If anything, we just knock out in your place, Mary. We just
Mary.
knock out at your place.
Yeah, where are we going next?
My time.
Where?
My time.
She's ready to drink. She's ready to drink. Even though she gotta work tomorrow. Okay, bye guys. See you at your house. Bye. So that was dinner. I didn't really vlog as much because there was a lot of people in there.
No, she was just really hungry, enjoying her food.
Yeah.
Should have seen her. She was grubbing.
I don't know. Korean food and me, I could never get tired of it, I guess, because we just had Korean food last weekend, and then I had Korean food yesterday, and then I had Korean food again this morning for lunch, and Korean food again tonight. So I don't know. I might be part Korean. Just kidding. I'm so oily. Oh my gosh, you
It
guys.
smelled like barbecue.
And we're going to a club right now, or not a club, a bar, because my friends want to go get some Mai Tais. But yeah, we're gonna go there smelling like Korean barbecue. Oh my gosh, babe, I'm so oily.
You shining over there.
Dang. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try to vlog at the bar, but probably most likely not going to because there's gonna be so much people there. It's a popular bar downtown Honolulu, so yeah.
I wouldn't be able to get in then.
She's driving.
Oh my god.
Everybody put your seatbelts on.
Excuse the crap out of me, sir. I drive perfectly fine, thank you.
Make sure your headlights are on.
I drive like a
Are
grandma.
you gonna be like how she is?
Stop
with
going
your
so fast.
Yeah.
I'm not even moving.
Yeah.
Who
my
is in
turn.
the middle? You put on your seatbelt.
Yeah, you.
I can't find it.
Excuse the shit out of me. It's right fucking there, sister. Excuse me, sir.
What's up guys? So we're back home now, and yeah, it's like currently 1 o'clock in the morning, so Sherwin and I we're just gonna go to sleep. Thanks for coming with us to go eat some yummy Korean food. I feel like we're always eating Korean food. Like every weekend, it's always Korean barbecue. I know last weekend was Korean barbecue. This weekend, Korean barbecue. But yeah, I think that's it. Oh, and then after that, we went to Mai Tais and got like a couple drinks and, you know, just listened to some chill Hawaiian local native music. It was kind of boring because the lady was like, or not the lady, but the band was playing some, how would you call that, like a mellow, but it was like, she was like, it seemed like she was doing like karaoke music, and it was kind of lame. Usually the bar that we went to, it's usually poppin', like there's a lot of people there, it's always crowded. But tonight, I don't know, tonight was just really lame. People started to leave because the music was so bad. She could sing though, I'm not gonna lie, the lady could sing. But yeah, anyway, we're gonna go sleep. So like this video if you guys like it, comment down below what else you guys want to see us eat, and yeah, subscribe to our channel. Okay guys, peace, good night.